Hello learners, today we are discussing Module 1 1.1.1 topic mass media. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand the following concept: types of media, power of media, role and influence of media, media and popular culture. Types of media. Traditional media, people have developed different way of communications depending upon their local language and culture. Traditional media is one of the oldest type of mass media to transform tradition and customs over generations. Print media in simple word, print media is all about the printed form of information and news. Electronic broadcasting media. Broadcasting is simply a distribution of audio and video content to a dispersed audience using the electronic broadcasting mediums. Its forms are television, radio, satellite network, traditional telephones, film, movie, motion picture, video games, audio recording, and reproduction. Outdoor media. This is also known as or out of home media and is focused on transmitting information and news when the public is outside their home. Outside media gives important to display, advertising and attracting individual towards new products, some social cause or any development or change in the society. Transit media revolves around the concept of advertising and information dissemination when consumers are on the go in public place or in transit. These include display advertisement on vehicle and transport, new media or digital media. Since the invention of World Wide Web by English scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, the internet has drastically taken over all the type of mass media because of faster dissemination speed and higher digital technology. New media is an interactive two-way communication with users being the active producers of content and informations. Example are websites, social networking site, YouTube, VR, etc. Power of media. Mass media has been one of the most significant force in modern culture. All type of mass media communication, whether written, broadcast or spoken, reach a larger audience that creating a massive impact on society. Mass media play a crucial role in shaping how we view the world. Intensive use of mass media has resulted in the world to appear smaller and closer. It also promotes the distribution of goods and services. The fundamental objective of mass media are to inform, student, entertain the masses. It is known to be an important player in democracy and the smooth functioning of the nation. Media is the watchdog of society. Mass media work to transmit heritage and cultural values. The rise of new mass media create a global platform to bring people together. Role and influence of media. Three main sociological perspectives on the role of media exist: the limited effect theory, the class dominant theory, and the culturist theory. First one is limited effect theory. The limited effect theory argue that people generally choose what to watch and read based on what they already believe media exert a negligible influence. This theory originated and was tested in the 40s and 1950s. Studies that examine the ability of media to influence voting found that well-informed people rely more on personal experience, prior knowledge, and their own reasoning. However, media experts more likely sway those who were less informed. Critic point to two main problems with this perspective. First, they claim that limited effect of theory ignore the media role in framing and limiting the discussion and debate of issues, how media frame the debate, and what question member of the media ask change the outcome of the discussion and the problem and the possible conclusion people may draw. Second, this theory came into existence when the availability and dominance of media was far less widespread. Class dominant theory. The class dominant theory argued that the media reflect and project the view of a minority elite group which control its. Those people who own and control the corporation that produce media comprise this elite. Advocate of this view concern themselves particularly with massive corporate mergers of media organizations which limit competition and put big business at the reins of media, especially news media. Their concern is that when ownership is restricted, a few people then have the ability to manipulate what people can see or hear. The issue of sponsorship add to this problem. Advertising dollar fund most media. Critique of this theory countered these arguments by saying that local control of news media largely lies beyond the reach of large corporate offices elsewhere and that the quality of news depends upon good journalists. While most people argue that a corporate elite control media, a variation on this approach argue that a politically liberal elite control media. Culturalist theory. The culturalist theory developed in the 1980s and 1990s combined the two other theories and claimed that people interact with media to create their own meaning out of the images and messages they receive. This theory sees audience as playing an active rather than passive role in relation to mass media. One strand of research focused on the audience and how they interact with media. The other strand of research focused on those who produce the media, particularly the news. Culturist theorists claim that while a few elite in large corporations may exert significant control over what information media produce and distribute, personal perspective play a more powerful role in how the audience members interpret those messages. Historically, mass pop culture has been fostered by an active and test-making mass media that introduce and encourage the adoption of certain trend along with encouraging a mass audience to see or skip certain movies, television shows, video games, books, or fashion trend. People use taste making to create demand for new products. Tastemaker help keep culture vital by introducing the public to new ideas, music, programs, or product, but tastemakers are not immune to outside influence. In the traditional media model, large media companies set aside large advertisement budget to promote their most promising projects. Test maker budge about the next big things and obscure or niche work can get lost in the shuffle. By end of the century, the rise of cable television and the internet had begun to make taste making a more complicated enterprises. Next subtopic, media and popular culture. The internet appeared to be eroding some of the taste-making power of the traditional media outlets. Some popular bloggers have transmitted from traditional media world to the digital world, but others have become well known without formal institutional support. Although personal communication continue to dominate, email and text messages are increasingly used to directly transmit information about important news events. Thanks to these and other digital age media, the internet has become a pop culture force, both a source of amateur talent and a source of amateur promotions. In this session, we have discussed types of media, power of media, role and influence of media, media and popular culture. MCQ question related to mass media. Question statement. This theory argued that the media reflects and projects the view of minority elites which control it. Number one, symbolic internationalism. Number two, class dominated theory. Number three, limited effect theory. Number four, culturist theory. Correct answer is B, class dominated theory. Happy learning. Have a good day.